Okay, so this is the seats for the silver car, and it's been through to Wesley at Comfortech. And again, Wesley doing what he does best. This is how the seats came out. It came out very nice. This is not in leather. This is actually a it's a vinyl. It's a very soft vinyl, but the grain is nice on it. It's got a rough grain on it, but the stitching is nice. The seats came out nice. Wesley does wonders with straightening out the frames and getting the frames done for us. I'm gonna try and put this link up on the advert as well, so please feel free to give him a shout for any work needed on your guys' seats. Like I said, he just doesn't recover and finishing clients say he can't do it. He actually goes through and he makes sure the frame gets straightened out, it gets welded up properly, and it's reusable. So yeah, you can have a look at the backs here as well. I've still got it wrapped up. I'm gonna try and pull this off here. Okay, this is the back done. So yeah, Comfortech, I'm gonna get his flyer up as well. Give him a shout. His work is good and he's reliable, trustworthy. He's one of the good guys. Okay, so guys, with the silver 4-door TK's car, this is the new rack that's going in. It's an E36 brand new rack. There was a couple of vlogs of guys talking about E36 racks and does it fit onto these cars, etc, etc. So here's the differences. On the E30 racks, the plastic bumper racks, the two pipes do not sit next to each other. One sits here and one sits on the side here. So the only modification that you're going to make is basically the pipe modification to, instead of coming here, to come over here. That's number one. Number two, you're not going to use E46 racks and all of that crap on. You're going to use the E30 rack ends and tie rod ends on it. So the racks don't come with new boots. We'll get that sorted out. Here's the tie rod ends here, but this is basically all E30. So is it a good upgrade for the E30s? Hell yes. We're using it. We've supplied it for years. It's tried and tested. It is very sensitive though, so you got to get used to the car, but once you get used to it, there's nothing wrong with it. The other modification that you got to make, it's not actually a mod, is that you've got to put I think it's a 20 or 30 mil spacer in here, so when it slides into the cross member, you've got to put the spacer in, otherwise you're going to have play. So besides for that, that's the only differences on the racks. Is it a good rack to use on E30s? Yes, it is. Okay, so welcome back here. This is the E36 rack that we spoke about earlier. Here's the pipes modified, they done. So in this instance here, this car's pipes were all cracked and brittle, and we ended up choosing to make new pipes right through. So yes, it can be done. Okay, so this is the dress up kit that we went for with TK's car, right? It's powder coated to almost like a chocolate metallic gray. So again, on video it looks shiny on video, but it's actually a nice gray to it. There you can see the gray that comes out in it. So the alternator is strapped up, that is done. And the intake, we're doing the throttle body. The thermostat housing, the water pipes are been done. These brackets here, we've chose to go with that on these brackets, as well as your tappet cover and breather pipe. So the silver car is also back from paint. We got it back day before yesterday. I didn't get a chance to do a video because we've been moving cars around, but the paint work came out nice. Here's the black done on the car. Along the windows you can see these beadings have been done already. The gutter beadings still got to come on, and they put at the back. We've started stripping out the suspension on the vehicle. We found quite a bit of issues at the back, so we're intending to sort it out now. With the engine bay we've stripped out as well, so we're doing a dress up kit on this car, and now is the time to start neatening up and going through everything. So we've just given it a rough washout, and the major work starts next week. So yeah guys, like I say, please subscribe to our channel. Keep on subscribing, keep on viewing it. Again, interact with us, let us know what you want to see. A lot of guys have been communicating with me already. I appreciate that quite a bit. And we are going to improve. We'll get better mics out, and I'm trying my hardest to go step by step, not on these builds as such, but mostly on the restoration cars. So yeah, here's a sneak preview quickly of one of the videos to come. So yeah.